Well, thank you God for this 22 card packs. I pray you use them to their ability. I do not believe I'll be playing any Shadowverse. We would like to ask for 6 legendaries, 12 premiums from 22. That's pretty crazy. Thank you God for everything good in our life. It may look like we are closing our computer card game career. It was lots of fun. I cherish it very much. Well, thank you God. There, that's a legendary right there. Thank you. Like the premium, it's a legendary. Thank you. Second legendary, premium. It's the third, second premium. Thank you. Nice, thank you God. That's a very good. Third legendary. We love a leader. It's above average already. Premium. Third premium. We want the golden pudding leader. This pudding. Fourth premium. And our final pack. Pudding, where are you? Cool. 3 legendaries, very good. 1, 2, 3. So this is actually you have 26 packs. It's even better. Whoa. So that's cool. Thank you God for 1 legendary, 2 premiums. Second premium. Third premium. One legendary, 3 premium. Oh, nice, thank you God for another legendary. Where's that leader putting you? Oh, thank God for a second legendary. Nice premium. 1 premium. Au, au, aya. Au, au, aya. Maven, connoisseur expert. The ringside announcer is pretty cute. Premium, nice. 2 premiums. Fourth premium. Pudding, pudding. Premium. So we got 2 legendaries, 5 premium. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Au, au, aya. So we're actually opening 17, 27, 43. There's 43. 1 premium. Oh, she looks good. 1 legendary. Thank you. Thank you, God, for so many legendaries. We're on schedule for legendaries for sure. Second premium. We only asked for 6 legendaries. I'm 100% sure we just hit it past that. Leader. Yes. Is that it? Is she? No. Is she it? Is she? I can't tell. I can't tell if this is really her. I can't tell. We need more her. Pudding? Question mark? I don't think that's the leader. I don't think that's the leader pudding. We need the leader pudding. Or we want the leader pudding. We don't need. We want. Well, thank you, God, for pudding nonetheless. 4th premium. Grand acquisition. Premium. Well, nice. Thanks, God. That's the second legendary in this set. Premium. 6 premium. Uh-oh. Wait. Yes! Thank God. That feeling when you're about to quit a game and you, yes. Well, that's exactly what we wanted. Oh, baby. Yes. So funny. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. Alright, let's keep going. Let's keep going. All our expectations have been exceeded. Thank you, God, for me. For Mayuko! Mayuko! Whoa. Okay, our last 6. Gotta record what you ask for, and then when you get it, then it just makes it so much better. 1 premium. Thank you. I'm just like, I don't know what to think right now. Thank you for legendary. That's cool. That's cool. But it ain't as good as Mayuko. Yeah. 1 premium. Thank you. Whoa. And here I was a doubter. I looked at the Mayuko, I was like, that's not the leader. That ain't the leader. One, 2. Tally it up. Tally it up. Ooh. So we're liquefying 3,000 vials. Not a lot of vials because it's a new set. New sets usually don't have a lot of vials. Ooh. I mean, we literally just opened our first packs in the new set, so you won't get many vials. But these are the cards that were amazing. Super happy to get this. So we asked for 6 legendaries, 12 premiums out of 43 card packs. So now we're gonna tally. Well. 4, 5, 6. All right. We ready for this? We asked for 6 legendaries. We got 9. Okay. We asked for 12 premiums. We got 19. We asked for 1 leader, Mayuko, and we got her. And we have 3,000 vials. So all metrics are surpassed. Thank you, God, for these cards. And now I get to say goodbye to Shadowverse. Interestingly enough, huh? So we're gonna. So there's a story about Jesus where Jesus met these 2 brothers. I believe it's Simon and Andrew. And these 2 brothers were fishing and they caught nothing. All day. And they were just coming back to shore, feeling super depressed, feeling super shitty, for lack of a better word. what is so interesting is they ran into Jesus, and Jesus said, "Hey, go throw your nets back into the sea." They were just coming back and forth. They were just like, "We just tried all night. We caught 0 fish, 0." And then they're like, "Well, since we know you have a reputation, we'll give it a try. We'll just give it a try." So they went back and they went to go to sea. They threw their nets, and Jesus was, I believe Jesus was in the boat. And they caught so many fish, their ship started to sink. They had to call for backup. They would call for a second fishing boat to help them get their haul to shore. And they caught so many fish, and it was such a big contrast. It was such a big contrast to what they had done on their own effort that they immediately caught so many fish, they actually gave up being fishermen. As in, on one moment they were trying to catch fish, they caught no fish. They ran into Jesus, and they were about to give up. And Jesus said, go throw your nets and catch more fish. And then they're like, all right, we'll just do it because, we heard you're Jesus. So they threw their nets, they caught so much fish, their ship started to sink, they called for backup, and after that incident they were like, wow, I want to follow that guy. And they gave up fishing. I kind of feel like that guy. Because realistically speaking, Shadowverse will never make me happy. I'll tell you, it will never make me happy. There's always going to be another card that you want. There will always be another card that you want. We wanted Mono. We got Mono. Yeah, we got Mono. She's cool. We wanted Liza. We got Liza. She's cool. We wanted Grandmaster. We got it. That's cool. But it never ends. It never ends. So hold on, we're gonna record. What we got? So we asked. Woo! 9 legendaries out of 6. Asked for 6. That's pretty good. That's like way better than normal. 19 premiums, asked for 12. That's pretty good too. And then 1 leader at 1. Mayuko. I want to call that guy. But we'll try to finish our thought because we have to go pretty soon. This. Alright. Ooh. Ah, ooh, ah, yeah. Like it was fun getting Grandmaster in Verdant and Glory, but it's like I kind of feel like those fishermen. I feel like I fished for those fish, and I failed a lot of times. I failed for a lot of fish. That I didn't want to fish anymore. And then Jesus said, "Hey, throw those nets in one more time." I threw those nets in one more time, and I had a great time. And when those fishermen were like, "Dude, I want to follow you," they like literally wanted to follow Jesus. And Jesus said, "I will make you fishers of men. I will make you fishers of men. Come, follow me." Let's see, it's in a loop. Matthew 4:19, come follow me. Jesus said, and I will make you fishers of men. To me, that did not capture the quote right. what you get when you multitask. I think I think my equivalency is like, come, I will make you a real Grand Master. So like, you get Grand Master in a game, and that's cool, right? It's cool, it's fun. But like, Jesus calls me to be a real Grand Master. What's a real? It's like, what's a real Grand? It's like, being a fisherman is cool, but God called them to be real fishers, not just fishers of fish, but fishers of men. Fishers of men is such an interesting thing, because in today's digital marketing world, you start to realize that fishers of men, it's like getting YouTube viewers. It's like every person who's a YouTuber who's technically trying to get views, they're actually fishing for people. They're like looking for views. And there's something in my brain that is trustworthy about the creator of the universe. Like, I would rather, like, I'm pretty blind. I'm pretty blind. When I say blind, I'm like figuratively blind. Like, I can't even see opportunities. I can't see the logic. I can't see things that are right in front of me. And for those reasons, it becomes easier for me when I realize that whoa, I want to trust the creator of the universe. The creator of the universe knows the better path, knows the better way. And that is like, and I would be like this fisherman. I would be like, whoa, what is that path? I want to follow that. Anyway, take care. Rip Shadowverse. It was great opening you, Mayuko. I will probably never play with you, but you cute. We're gonna host. No, we're not gonna host. We're just gonna. So bye. Take care. Have a good day.